Clocking in now on Uber Eats. I'm gonna try to make $100 today. All right, we got that first order picked up. We got a lemonade and something from Chick-fil-A. We got 5.1 miles on this first one for $7.04. I left this morning, it was about 40 degrees, and now it's probably 75, 80. That's Florida for you. Hell yeah, I just got another one. $11.17, 4.5 miles. There's Firehouse right there, but of course ain't no parking in this whole parking lot. .4 miles away for $11. These orders are coming in like crazy. $8.07 for 3.2 miles. All right, I just picked up that Chick-fil-A. The never-ending question that I have is, why do people order milkshakes? You know it's melted by the time you get to your house. I'm waiting on DoorDash to get back to me. I sent them an email yesterday, and they said they'll be getting back to me within 24 to 48 hours. And once I get that going, I'm gonna, I guess, split it, do Uber and DoorDash. All right, on the roll today. Just dropped that one off, and immediately got a $4.75 for one. I think it was 1.8 or 2 miles for a tropical smoothie. Man, they had me really messed up with that one. I almost left to the point where I just ended up getting up, asking them what was taking so long. 10 minutes to wait on an order, and I had seen like 2 or 3 people ahead of me get their food that had went in there to order food as a customer. So I'm just thinking something's up with this. I don't always do it, but luckily I just checked the notes on this delivery for this tropical smoothie order, because that would have made it 100 times worse. I'm already aggravated with this order, being that it took so long to get. But I checked the notes, and it said do not use the Uber navigation. So luckily it said the name of the business, so I went into my other app and put it in there. So hopefully it takes me to the right place, because it was telling me to take some weird back way to get there. Just got another decent order. This one is for $10.06, 6.7 miles. It's a sushi place. On the way to pick up that order, I just went ahead and stopped and got another Mountain Dew, some more Motrin. Trying to shake this headache before it messes my day up. Alright, we just picked up from the sushi place. 3 bags on this order. At least they're all small. The delivery is 5.4 miles away. Again, this one's $10. About to head there and then check and see if any of the other tips have come through yet. I've been wanting to make a video about, you know, like when you're going through these parking lots, see just who has manners. Because it seems like nobody will wave when they're crossing the street anymore. Let's let this old lady cross the street and see if she wants to wave. Go ahead, you got it. Oh, thank you. What a well-mannered person. Just got done dropping off that sushi order. I went ahead and signed out, just because I don't want any orders over in this area. And then they're gonna send me one here. Then they're gonna take me across town, and I'm not dealing with that. I just went offline, and then when I get back over to my spot, I'll sign back in. I just got some lunch. I'm about to pull over and eat. Budget shopping today. Got some Taco Bell. Just finished up my lunch. Going back online now. Waiting on some orders. I'm still at $34.21. Not off to a good start. $3.56 for a Taco Bell order. I'm not even gonna look at this one. I'm just gonna close it. Yeah, somebody else can take that. I guess nobody want to pick this one up. Now it's $4.07 for Taco Bell. 5.6 miles. I'll just ignore it. I can't do it. It's either getting slow or I'm in a bad spot. No orders have popped up in the last 10 minutes other than Taco Bell. And I'm not going to take either one of those that popped up. It might have been the same order, just nobody wanted to pick it up. But for $4 for like, I think it was 5 or 6 miles, I'm probably going to head back over to my spot where I was just at and see if we can get some orders over there. Well, let me head back over to my other spot. They're not about to have me sitting there all day with no orders. I got bored for a minute, so I went into Marshall's to go and find some t-shirts. And as I was headed to the checkout, I got an order for Chipotle, however you say it. It's getting real close to 5 o'clock, so the traffic's starting to build up, as you can see. I just ate like 30 minutes ago, but I'm starting to get hungry again. And I think it's because I ate trash at Taco Bell. Hell no, I got an order coming through right now. $2.70 for 4.5 miles. Hope you can keep that one. Just as I called it, here's a $14.07 order, but I have to pass on it because it's 23.7 miles. Just got another good one, boy. $8 for, I think it's 3 or 4 miles of it. It's right around the corner from where I'm at, so I just gotta go pick it up. Just got that pickup, Bonefish Grill. I was having such a good day before that last order. If you can see this in my seat, that huge puddle of stuff that probably ruined my other set of keys and my key fob. I don't know what the hell happened, but when I got to the house with that Bonefish Grill bag, I picked it up and all the stuff fell out of it. So I guess whoever bagged that up at the restaurant put something in there that spilled and leaked inside the bag, and now that shit's all in my seat. What's even more embarrassing is that nobody would come to the door when I got to the house, so I just had to leave it there. And I don't like doing stuff like that because that is greatly going to impact my tip. It's just about starting to get dark now. Alright, just dropped that one off. Currently we are sitting at $55.32. We have done 8 trips so far. We've been online for 5 hours and 20 minutes. Let me see the earnings activity. Okay, so I'm still waiting on 2 tips. I just had a really stupid one pop up. $4.16 for 8.4 miles. This really isn't looking too good. I don't think I'm gonna hit my goal today. We got like 45 minutes left, and no more orders have come in yet. I just picked up that Chipotle order, and I think it might be on the next street over for the delivery because it says it's only 0.7 miles away. As I'm taking this one, I just had another $10 order come in. It is for 7.8 miles though. Hopefully the pickup isn't too far. After I drop this one off, I'm gonna go pick that one up. I did not sign up for this. I'm afraid of heights, and I have to take this to the 7th floor. That's something else right there. Y'all see that Domino sign on top of that car? That's a damn Lexus. Just picked up that. I'm not sure if this is gonna be my last one. I had to walk a little bit for that one. Alright guys, I don't want to leave you hanging. I want to let y'all know what I made. I made a total of $84.96 today. A little short, about $15 short of my goal was 100. I was online for 6 hours and 24 minutes. I did 10 trips and I got 38 points. I think my next level is like diamond or something. I'm at platinum. Net fare today was $28.91. Tips were $56.05. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you made it this far into the video, please leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.